In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent, respected teachers, coordinators, and my dear school fellows, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are here to talk about something very special, World Kindness Day, which is celebrated every year on November 13th. This day reminds us of how important kindness is in our lives. Kindness is a simple but powerful thing that can make a huge difference in the world. Kindness means doing nice things for others, even if they are small. It could be as simple as giving someone a smile, helping a friend with homework, saying thank you, or holding the door open for someone. These little acts can brighten someone's day and make them feel valued. One amazing thing about kindness is that it does not just make others feel good, it makes us feel good too. Being kind can make us happier, reduce stress, and even improve our health. Kindness creates a positive environment where everyone feels better and more connected. On World Kindness Day, let's remember that kindness is not just for one day. We can be kind every single day, whether at school, at home, or in our community. We can spread kindness by treating others with respect, helping those in need, and being friendly to everyone. Let's work together to make kindness a part of our daily lives. Small acts of kindness can create a big impact, making the world a better place for all of us. Thank you.